Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for tuning in. It's your girl Beloved and I'm back with a new recipe for the channel. Beloved Catering Service is a business where we make all kinds of cakes, butter cookies, shortbread cookies, coconut biscuits, sugar cookies, brownies, ring donuts, meat pies, samosas, spring rolls, and all kinds of fruit drinks and fruit juices, especially sobolo. We also make all local rice dishes and Ghanaian authentic dishes. We cater for all events and occasions and any form of gatherings. You can contact us with the information provided on your screen. In today's video, we are making tea with toasted bread and egg. This is a Ghanaian breakfast and I want to share it with you all this morning. These are the ingredients you are using for today's breakfast. We have a sachet of milk powder, a sachet of chocolate powder, or let's say Milo for short, and we have 1 egg, some already peeled, washed and chopped vegetables, which are carrots, red onions and green pepper. We have some salt here, just a little bit for taste, half tablespoon of sugar, and we have oil. We have our bread here, and then we'll season it up with some powdered pepper, and then we'll be using a teacup with its saucer. We'll use a non-stick pan. We'll be using a perforated spoon. Then we'll use knives. This for the egg and then the bread knife. Then we'll be using a fork. And then we'll also be using our kettle here. Before that, I would be very happy if you could subscribe to my channel right now. And then turn on your post and notification icon so that you get notified anytime I upload a new video onto the channel. And please share my videos with your friends and family. Please subscribe. So we are going to crack the egg. Add in the vegetables and then the salt. Then we are going to whisk everything together. I like to do this with a fork. At this point, you can just fry like this, or you add in a bit of pepper. So I want to add in just a teeny tiny bit of powdered pepper to my taste, because I mostly don't like the raw egg or the smell of it. It makes me a bit nauseous. So adding in the pepper kind of balances it out for me. So I'll add it in. And then we'll mix. Now it's time for us to fry. As we are about to fry the egg, we'll also be heating our water. So I'll open up our kettle and then we'll add in some water. So we'll cover. I'm going to switch on the plug and then we start heating. To our source of heat. So I'm going to add in the oil. Turn it so that every part of the pan coats. Now we'll add in the egg. Flip again. Now I'm picking up the bread and then I'll pick our egg here, fold it into two and then place it in between as we push it down slightly. Then we toast it on all sides. Flip to this side as well and then toast. This might get a bit hot, so as you are doing it, you need to either use 2 perforated spoons or maybe just 1, depending on your experience and how hot your pan could be. So we move it around once or twice and then we take it out of our pan. Place our bread and egg here. Then we set it aside as we move on to making of our tea. To our tea cup, we are going to pour both our milk powder and then our Milo. Some people add sugar, others don't, but I prefer to add in just a little. Then we'll add in the hot water. And then some cold water. Then we'll move on to mixing it. And this is our breakfast, so we are going to enjoy it. Try it one morning and give me your feedback on it in the comment section. And this is where today's video ends. Thank you so much for watching. Make it a point to watch all our new videos this and every Thursday and Sunday for wholesome content and amazing recipes you can try with your friends and family. Also, we post short videos from Sunday to Sunday, which is throughout the week, so you can check that out as well. Share our videos with your friends and family on our behalf. Subscribe to the channel. Do all the good stuff for us. Follow us on all our socials. So we meet again, dear viewers. Bye bye.